You look gorgeous. My name is Curtis Walker. Feel free to Twitter. Hashtag who the hell is. You are an extremely important part of tonight's proceedings. Without you, none of this would be possible. Or it would be, but it would be really, really quiet. So if you, like me, want to know what it would sound like to be stepping up on the roster to receive your gold medal, make some noise! Ladies and gentlemen, we are in London. We are starting with a wonderful salute from the Red Arrows.